just trying to give you some encouragement to say that, you know, don't be ashamed to open your mouth and talk about situations. You know, if this is what you're going through, this is what you're doing, talk about it, man. Bring it up in the conversation. Everybody talking. You in the barbershop, everybody talking about something. Well, you know, man, I be messing with these cribs, man. I be fixing them up, and, you know, I got my company I'm trying to, you know, let it be known. Oh, yeah? Oh, that's what you doing? Damn, you know, I was going to get into that, man, you know. Then you might can spread some love to somebody, you know, somebody that don't have all the knowledge that you may have. You might want to get into it. That might can help you, you know, or anything. Man, my sister, my cousin needs something. She needs a plumber. You got some plumbers? Need some electricians? Yeah. See, the little bitty money adds up.